Saturday the 10th of April 2021. So I used that machine right there and roughed up the lawn back here, and I've blown pretty much most of it away. I did the whole lawn. So here's the lawn here. We don't have a lot of green up, but it's definitely starting to work. I need to get those trees poisoned right there. I'm gonna drag this right here and then put some fertilizer down on this side. So I can see quite the big difference from here to over here. I did put the fertilizer down there and I did the grooming over there. I need to drag this part over here so I can come in here with some seed. This section is very bare and it needs seed pretty badly. So right here, I do need to put that hose bib on there. That's gonna happen today. But I think the first thing I'm gonna do is get the drag out. I'm just gonna drag it flat a little bit, put some fertilizer down, seed. So that's good there. Love this drag, it's so freaking awesome. You're getting a phone call. So I was gonna run this machine over there, and I still plan to, but I just got a phone call. Somebody needs my dumpster. I'm in the trash hauling business, and I picked up this trailer here yesterday. See this? I use these dump trailers to haul trash. I've got the mower in here, and I've got to get it out. I'm gonna take it over there and drop it off for them so they can fill it up with trash, and then I charge money to take it to the landfill. There's the bad boy in there.
So here we go again, it's no surprise, 'cause we know better than to roll the dice.
Hey!
Mom just told me to come out here to see what was in it.
What do you think?
It's a motor.
Gotta figure out how to get this. There. There we go. Okay, so that goes on there like that. Don't want anybody getting hurt, so the roll bar has to be all the way up. This thing unstrapped over here. When I got this at the dealer, we tried to fire it up and the battery was dead. So choke on, key. Drop off this trailer. Not going far. You'll see. You'll like it. I'm gonna go drop off this trailer.
You better watch out for the kryptonite. Come on over, we can make it through, make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do, just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night.
Off the trailer, drop it off, and I'll come back and pick it up later. Here, since I'm sitting over here, I'm gonna put this on really quick. There we go. Right there. Just like that. That's gonna go in there like that, and now I can water my plants. This was leaking before. I think it froze, so it broke. This area needs some major work. Seed, fertilizer, water. Lots and lots of work needs to happen here. Then I'm just gonna run over this backyard and this side yard pretty quickly, just with this little drag. Knock down any sand piles, and then I'm gonna come in here with some seed and fertilizer here in just a minute. All right, so that's pretty well good to go on that. It's pretty breezy and windy out here, which sucks. It's not so good for doing seed. You don't want your seed blowing around. All right, so humic acid first, soil conditioner. Whoa, hopper's open. All right, so I'm gonna set this to a pretty decent output. So So I'm not walking around all day long spreading this stuff. It's set to about a 6 or a 7, so I'm gonna go with that and see what happens here. So this is the product I'm gonna put down. This is the flagship product from Yard Mastry. This is a 2406 product. That means you have 24% of the bag is nitrogen, 0% of the bag is phosphorus, and 6% of the bag is potassium. So what you wanna do, this is a 45-pound bag, okay? It says right here, it'll cover 15,000 square feet. What does that mean? 15,000 square feet at what rate though? How I like to figure this out, take the analysis of the bag, okay? 24%. You gotta find the analysis of the bag, you gotta find the weight of the bag. 0.24 times 45, that means there's 10.8 pounds of nitrogen in the bag. So I'm just gonna round it up to 11. So there's 11 pounds of nitrogen in here. So that should cover 11,000 feet if you wanna do a full pound of nitrogen per 1,000. They're saying it'll cover 15,000 square feet. So that's putting it down at about maybe 3/4 of a pound of nitrogen per 1,000. 3/4 of a pound of nitrogen is a decent amount of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet. Doing what they recommend is probably a decent idea. So I know that I have about 15 square foot in the side and the back. So I'm gonna take this and just try to evenly spread it between the front and the back, or the side and the back. And then that should be good. It doesn't have to be super complicated. You just put it down and you just try to evenly spread the bag. If you know how much area you have, just make sure you go over it in a crisscross pattern, back and forth, and try to spread it evenly so you know you have an even distribution of fertilizer. I did also notice on here that this has got 3% iron right here. So that's good, so that'll help with green up as well. All right, so I'm gonna crank this down significantly to about I don't know, 4.5 right there. So I'm gonna put down some of this Milorganite. I've had this in my shed for about 2 years. I wanna get rid of it. I'm not a huge fan of Milorganite. I don't love this stuff. It's super slow to activate, and it's expensive for what it is. Just doesn't go very far. I don't love it. It's a decent product, but it just, I don't know. I think there's much better products for your money out there, to be honest with you. It does smell like success. All that stuff's true. And it's a decent product. It's just expensive for what it is. The bags are small, so I didn't quite finish the whole section, so I'm gonna finish it off with Milorganite. Guys, so I finished the fertilizer, finished the Milorganite, finished the humic acid. Very windy out here. I don't know if I want to put down the seed quite yet. Thinking I might wait till tonight or tomorrow to put the seed down. It's just windy. Trying to put seed down in the wind is not a good idea. You can see the flag over there. That'll give you a good idea of how windy it is. But I think I'm gonna wait till the morning to put the seed down. Need to get the water on here, but then again, water and wind, sprinklers just don't really match up so well. I am gonna wait to put the seed down until the wind dies down. It's real annoying to try to work in the wind and film in the wind because it's just really loud and annoying. And wind, oh, I tell you what, it's just not fun. I think anybody that knows wind knows that it's just not the best of most enjoyable thing to be in. Flying a kite, sure, maybe, but not doing your average lawn work there, folks. So the temperatures need to warm up just a little bit so I can get some more green up. I do have my Reel Master 3100D here. The reels are here. I've got some more seed to put down. I've got the John Deere over there. I do think I am gonna sell that sucker. I love that mower, but I don't have a whole lot of need for it. It was just more so a project to enjoy and to have fun working on. So that's it, folks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Do you like
Think I
that
should get some pit vipers?
No.
What do you mean no? Of course I'm gonna get some.
Do you want,
I need pit vipers, pal.
no, you don't.
Yes, I do. Why would you say I don't need pit vipers?
Because you don't.
Says who? This kid thinks he knows what pit vipers are. Do you?
No. But they just sound terrible. Knew it.
What about them? I'm getting these right here.
Did you order them?
Yeah.
These? Right here?
Yeah, I got the originals. Yeah, the 1993. They look good, huh? They're gonna be sweet with my
No.
haircut.
No pit vipers. That's all I
Yes, I need some pit vipers. Give me some dang pit vipers, pal. I'm going with the 1993 version of the pit viper, okay? And I've even got the chain on the back.
Oh my god.
You know the thing on the back?
Yes.
What? What thing? What
They're
is
like
it?
on reading glasses mostly.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that. It
No.
hangs down your back. And you can hang it on the mirror.
Yeah, I know.
It's gonna be freaking awesome, I'm telling you.